Hello guys, this is HiTech Talk. So one new challenge or update is going on Instagram. Like people are changing their name on Instagram. So after changing once, and when he is trying to change back to a original name, then he or she is getting a warning as you cannot change it before 14 days. Like you have to wait for a 14 days. So many people they have made a video on this how to fix this issue. Like many people they have made a videos like they are asking to report a problem, attach a screenshot of this error, and this will be resolved in 48 or 28 hours, 24 hours. But let me tell you, like there is no any option. You have to wait for 14 days. And I will suggest not to try any unwanted things that people are suggesting. Just wait for a 14 days and you can change it. So this is 99.9% sure that there is no any solution. So this was a small update for you guys. So thanks for watching this video, and if you find this video useful, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.